So, you just saw her slide the hockey puck by hand, and it went 14 feet and 9 inches. And I will just calculate that real quickly. I will times the 14 feet times 12 inches, which is 168, plus 9 equals 177. And that is in inches, so I would have to convert it to 77 inches over 1 to meters. So that would be 0.00254. Whoops, I wrote that on the wrong line. It's okay. Meters per 1 inch. And all I'd have to do now is multiply that out by 4. So that gives us a total distance of 4.4958 meters. And we can just round that to 4.5 meters. So we were going to find work then after this, and in order to do that, you would have to know how much the mass is of an average hockey puck, which is 6 ounces. But since we're talking scientifically, it will be 0.17 kilograms. And to figure out the force, we would take 0.17 kilograms times gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared, which would give us an answer of 0.17 times 9.8 equals 1.666 newtons. And we can just round that to 1.7 newtons for the ease of the math. So work equals force times distance. Work equals 1.7 newtons times the distance of 4.5 meters. Work equals 1.7 times 4.5, 7.65. Oh my gosh, I forgot what's it called? Joules? Go. Okay, and the work would have been 7.65 joules, be J. And we can also figure out power right away because we took the time. So power equals work over time, and we just figured out work, so P equals 7.65 over 4 seconds, and I'll just divide that real quickly. The power equals 1.9125. That's it. Kaylin shooting. Go. Go. Okay, so this one was a little harder to get an exact measurement, so we timed it and stopped it at 20 feet, which we have to times it by 12 again for the inches. And we'd also have to convert that, so that's 240 inches over 1 times 1 inch, and then it's the same conversion as before, the 0.0254 meters, and times 24 times 0.0254, and it gives us an answer of 6.096 meters. I'll just round that and 6.1 meters. So we're going to solve the same things again, and this was her doing it with a stick, so it had a little bit more work, and we'll see about the power, and we'll just calculate it and see how the numbers turn out. So work equals force times distance, and we already figured out the force before, so I'll just use that same number, 1.7, and then times distance, oh, I almost put 20 feet, sorry, 6.1 meters. Calculate that out, and 6.1 times 1.7 gives us an answer of 10.37. And I'm going to round that again to 10.4 joules. Next we can go on to power equals work divided by time. And obviously we know the work right away, 10.4 divided by 2 seconds. So the power equals 5.2 watts. And let's compare it to our other answers. The joules is higher, or the work is higher, and the power is higher in case of using the hockey stick. And that's the end of our video.